Welcome to chapter number 6, Mutual Funds. Now, many a times, many people who don't have time or inclination to learn stock market in detail, they would still like to participate and generate wealth using stock market. So, the market makers came up with this concept called as mutual fund. Now, I am emphasizing on this word mutual and on the word fund. Fund obviously means money. Mutual means everybody's money. So what is a mutual fund? When your money, my money, his money, her money, all we put together in a kitty. This kitty is handed over to an expert who understands stock market like nobody's business. He invests on our behalf. He charges us fees for providing his services. And then whatever fruits we get from such investment is distributed amongst all the unit holders. Now, I use the word unit holder. So, what do you mean by unit holder? What is this unit? So, what is a mutual fund? A mutual fund is nothing but a collective kitty. But when there is collective kitty of money and when large amount of money is involved, you know how the world is, right? So, we need a lot of regulations. We need a lot of credible people. We need a lot of people who are doing this wealth generation activities without any selfish cause. So we create a trust. Then we make a trust deed. And this trust deed talks about all the terms and conditions under which mutual fund is formed. Now you will say, "Arey boss, we are putting money together and investing, what terms and conditions?" But you must understand that mutual fund is formed with specific objective. Every scheme of a mutual fund comes up with a different options. Some mutual fund invest in currency, some in money market, some in bond market, some in commercial paper, some in shares. Some mutual funds are for a particular sector. Some mutual funds are for a particular economy. Some mutual funds are taking money from a low interest cost economy and investing into high interest cost economy, thereby creating international arbitrage, and they are called hedge funds. So, mutual fund, the concept is similar all over the world. However, there are 2 or 3 parties involved. Who are they? So the first party is AMC or Asset Management Company. These guys get all the money and they start investing in share market based on the strategy which is written in the offer document. Then there is a trust. Trust is formed because only if there is a trust, people will contribute money. So then there are trustees. Trustees don't have any interest in sharing the wealth of mutual fund. They are just there to lend their name so that people who are investing, they get some kind of comfort. And then the third party is people who are investing money, or investors or unit holders. So every rupee that you invest in a mutual fund, as against every rupee invested, they don't give you shares, they give you units. And whatever money that you have invested, they further invest as per the strategy. And whatever returns they get, they give you dividend per unit. So unit is very important because number of units that you own, the more the dividend that you get. So basically, mutual fund is a collective investment program where for small investors, it is difficult for them to hire an expert to manage their portfolio and pay such heavy fees. But if one person alone cannot do it, so many people, if they come together, they can definitely afford an expert, and the expert will do all the research on the investor's behalf and invest in the share market. So this was in a nutshell about mutual funds. Moving forward, summarizing the whole program, I would say that this beginner's module taught you what is stock market, how stock market works, what are the kind of transactions that happen in the stock market, what are the kind of people involved, what is an investor, who is a trader, what is fundamental analysis, what is technical analysis, how does derivative function, and what are mutual funds. So these are the 10 key takeaways from this program. I would invite your feedback on this program to make us understand that what are the areas which you want us to cover in our programs in future. And also we want to understand that how did you find this program? What were the things you thought that would have been included that I have missed? What are the things which you thought that if I wouldn't have covered, it was okay? So I am here to listen to all your positive as well as critical feedback. Do write to me, and in case if you have any kind of requirements, do get in touch with me. I would sincerely like to thank you for attending this program and reaching right till the end of it. I am sure that if you continue to upgrade yourself with such a dedication, you will definitely go a long way in life.